Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brian McGrath with MyBlindCo. I'm here today with Stephen Lessive from the Blind Shade and Shutter Company in Hamilton, Virginia. He's going to be doing a test of our new box check-in tool in the app. So, Stephen, take it away.
Yeah, so we just have a little feature up here. So you see that button there, and I'll show you how this works. So right here we have 3 boxes that were just delivered. So what I'm going to do is press this button, and that will bring up a camera, and I will go into the label right here and select the customer PO, and from there it'll pull up the screen. So from here, select the manufacturer, Alta EDI. I have 3 boxes. I will go down here to the rooms, and you'll see actually on the boxes it'll have the rooms on there. So I'll just do the corresponding ones on here and just go through that.
The purpose of this is so you can have an inventory, a running inventory of what you've actually received. This is great for any 1 or 2 man outfit that wants to make sure you don't lose a box, especially a small one. Or if you've got a larger business where your warehouse is away from your office manager, it's updated automatically, and it actually goes into the installation tab and says ready for install.
That's correct. So then from there, I will go to the order status and select ready for install and select receive boxes and update status. So press that, and you will see they are received. And I will close out of here and go into my installation tab and select pending install, and you'll see that customer's right there. So that's how easy it is.
And that's it.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. This has been Brian and Stephen from the Blind Shade and Shutter Company in Hamilton, Virginia, doing a MyBlindCo Minute. Enjoy this feature. It's been a long time coming, but it's really smooth. Thanks a bunch again. Have a great day.